All right, so you probably tried to install some kind of role or service to your server and it said, hey, you need .NET Framework. Or maybe you were trying to install software that said you need .NET Framework as a prerequisite before you could install something. And so then you try to say, all right, well, where do I even get it from? You try to download it. It's like, no, it's built into a server now. So then you go to add or remove it, add or remove roles. You try to add in .NET Framework and you get this feature installation error. The request to add or remove features on the specified server failed. Installation of one or more roles, role services, or features failed. Error 0x800f0954, and then all the rest. So the way you get around, and then after that, after you say, all right, well, let me try to do this again, and then you get this. And you know what? Maybe it was this screenshot that came first. Who knows? It actually gives a hint to you. Hey, do you need to specify an alternate source path? One or more installation selections are missing. So then you click on, you'll see down there it says specify an alternate source path, which is what I did. And when you click that, you'll get this screen, and then you have to put the path in. So I just used Windows Explorer, navigated to the path, and put it in there. Now this was a virtual machine, and I had like a CD added as an ISO, and then I just went to the path of sources/SXX. That's where I guess the .NET stuff is stored. I kind of just guessed there based on the example they gave, and it worked. So once I added in that source path, the installation worked and everything was happy. Installation succeeded and everything worked out. I don't know why they made it so complicated, but that's how it is. So the deal is, if you get that error, you need to specify a source path. That source path would, be the server DVD or server CD or server ISO if you're on a virtual machine. And then connect the path sources/SXX, and then it'll work. I hope this worked out for you. If you had a different situation, put it in the comments below, because anybody here obviously has a problem and you could help them solve it. All right, have a good one.